Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Imagine feeling stronger, more energetic, and full of power every single day with just 12 minutes of simple moves you can do anywhere, no equipment, no gym, no excuses. Today we're doing a science-backed 12-minute no-equipment workout that helps skyrocket your strength and endurance naturally. Studies show short bodyweight circuits like this can improve your energy, muscle endurance, and overall power in just a few weeks. So if you're ready to feel unstoppable, hit that like button and let's get started right now. Grab a mat if you have one, floor works fine too. We'll keep everything beginner-friendly. First, a quick 20-second warm-up, light marching in place, lift your knees gently, swing your arms, and breathe deeply. Feel your body waking up. Great! Now let's jump into the main workout. We'll do each move for 40 seconds with 10 seconds rest. We'll complete the full circuit twice, that's your complete 12 minutes. Exercise 1, high knees. Drive your knees up toward your chest, pump your arms like you're sprinting. This boosts your heart rate and builds endurance. If it's too intense, just march. 3, 2, 1, go. Keep breathing, stay tall. You're already building real power. 10 seconds left, push it. And rest. Next, push-ups. Keep your body straight, lower your chest, then press back up. Tough? Drop to your knees. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms. Ready? 3, 2, 1, begin. Nice and controlled. Feel those muscles working. You got this. And rest. Now bodyweight squats. Feet shoulder width, sit back like into a chair, then stand tall through your heels. This builds strong legs and glutes. 3, 2, 1, squat away. Chest up, knees over toes. Feel that burn in a good way. Keep going strong. And rest. Plank time. Forearms on the floor, body straight like a board. Hold strong. This fires up your core for better stability. Breathe steady. You're crushing it. 5 seconds. And rest. Alternating reverse lunges. Step one foot back, lower both knees to 90 degrees, then drive up and switch. This improves balance and leg endurance. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, lunge. Keep your front knee over your ankle. You're doing awesome. And rest. Mountain climbers. In plank position, drive one knee toward your chest, then switch. This ramps up your heart rate and core strength. Go hard but controlled. 3, 2, 1, climb. Hips low, core tight. Stay with it. And rest. Finisher, burpees, modified if needed. Squat down, step or kick back to plank, step forward and stand with a small jump. No jump? Just step. This total body move combines strength and cardio. 3, 2, 1, let's finish strong. You're almost done with round 1. And rest. Round 1 complete. Take 20 seconds to breathe and shake it out. You're already feeling stronger. Now round 2, same moves, same timing. Let's go. High knees, drive those knees higher if you can. Push a little more this time. You're building real endurance now. And rest. Push-ups, straight body, controlled movement. Feel the upper body strength growing. And rest. Bodyweight squats, deeper if comfortable, drive through heels. Powerful legs are forming. And rest. Plank, hold tight, core engaged. You're getting stronger with every second. And rest. Reverse lunges, smooth and balanced. Keep that momentum. And rest. Mountain climbers, keep climbing, core tight. This is boosting your overall energy. And rest. Burpees, finish strong. This is your full body power move. 10 seconds, boom. And rest. 12 minutes complete. Amazing job. Slowly walk in place to bring your heart rate down. Great work today. Short workouts like this, done consistently, can really improve your strength, endurance, and daily energy levels, all naturally and with zero equipment. If you enjoyed this workout, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new routine. Drop a comment and tell me which move challenged you the most. Share this video with a friend who wants more energy too. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay consistent, and keep moving. Take care. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Thrive Core Health for more useful health tips. Also follow our Facebook page and share this video to help others stay healthy.